In this video, we will be discussing the SENORTIAN A3 DTF Printer with Oven Bundle Set, a game-changing solution for DIY t-shirt printing and other fabric applications. Before we dive in, make sure to check the link to this printer in the description below for the best price. This printer stands out thanks to its direct-to-film (DTF) technology, which eliminates the need for pre-treatment on fabrics, a major advantage compared to traditional DTG or sublimation printers. This means you can start printing on cotton, polyester, leather, and a variety of other materials quickly and efficiently, saving both time and effort. One of the most impressive features of this printer is its advanced white ink circulation system. This system prevents sedimentation in the ink, ensuring a uniform white base every time. This is especially important when printing on dark fabrics, as it enhances color vibrancy and creates consistent layering for a professional quality finish. Users will notice fewer issues with ink breakage or uneven color, which is a common problem in other DTF setups. Durability and precision are also key strengths of the SENORTIAN DTF Printer A3. Equipped with the L1800 printhead, it achieves a maximum resolution of 5760x1440 dpi, delivering crisp, vivid images. With 6 colors and a total of 540 nozzles, the printer maintains consistent output, making it ideal for both small projects and larger production runs. Whether you are starting a low-cost business or expanding an existing setup, this printer offers stable performance and high-quality results. Versatility is another highlight. This printer handles a wide range of fabrics and items, including t-shirts, bags, hoodies, pillows, shoes, denim, and even athletic mesh fabrics. Unlike some other options, it can print effectively on both light and dark materials, making it highly adaptable for creative projects or commercial printing needs. Finally, the bundle set includes a convenient oven for curing prints, and the printer supports both roll and sheet feeding, which enhances workflow efficiency. SENORTIAN also offers professional after-sales support for installation and printing issues, ensuring users can rely on the printer without unexpected interruptions. One limitation is that it only supports Windows computers and lacks Bluetooth connectivity, but the overall performance and print quality make this printer a valuable investment for anyone serious about fabric printing. In summary, the SENORTIAN A3 DTF Printer with Oven Bundle Set combines speed, versatility, and professional-grade printing technology, making it an excellent choice for DIY creators and small businesses looking to produce high-quality prints consistently.